Welcome to Tarragona, a city where the echoes of ancient Rome meet the vibrant life of modern Catalonia. Nestled on the northeastern coast of Spain, Tarragona offers a captivating blend of historical landmarks, stunning beaches, and a lively cultural scene. Join us as we take a virtual drone tour of this hidden gem, exploring its rich heritage and picturesque landscapes. Our first stop is the Roman Amphitheatre, a breathtaking structure overlooking the Mediterranean Sea. Built in the 2nd century AD, this amphitheatre once hosted gladiatorial contests and public spectacles for up to 15,000 spectators. Imagine the roar of the crowd as you stand where gladiators once fought. Now, let's take a break from the ancient ruins and head to El Balcó del Mediterráneo, a scenic overlook offering breathtaking views of the Mediterranean Sea. Legend has it that touching the iron railing here brings good luck. Enjoy the panoramic vistas and feel the sea breeze as you gaze out over the azure waters. Next, we explore the Roman Circus, where chariot races thrilled the ancient inhabitants of Tarraco. This well-preserved structure, dating back to the 1st century AD, could accommodate around 30,000 spectators. As you wander through its ruins, picture the excitement of the chariot races and the cheers of the crowd. No visit to Tarragona is complete without a trip to Platja del Miracle, a beautiful beach offering golden sands and clear waters. Relax on the beach, take a swim, or simply enjoy the Mediterranean sun. This coastal paradise is the perfect place to unwind after exploring ancient ruins. The Roman Forum was the bustling center of political and social life in ancient Tarraco. This expansive complex, consisting of the provincial forum and the local forum, housed temples, basilicas, and administrative buildings. Explore the ruins and envision the vibrant discussions and decisions that shaped the city's destiny. To experience the authentic flavors of Tarragona, we head to the Serrallo, the city's historic fisherman's quarter. Here, you can sample fresh seafood dishes at local restaurants and soak up the vibrant atmosphere. Enjoy the bustling harbor and the colorful fishing boats as you savor the culinary delights of Tarragona. Our journey continues to the Tarragona Cathedral, a stunning example of Gothic architecture. Construction began in the 12th century and continued for centuries, resulting in a harmonious blend of Romanesque and Gothic styles. Step inside to admire its intricate sculptures, stained glass windows, and serene cloisters. The Roman walls of Tarragona once encircled the entire city, providing protection and defining its boundaries. Today, portions of these ancient walls still stand, offering a glimpse into the city's defensive architecture. Walk along the walls and imagine the Roman soldiers who once guarded Tarraco. For a deeper dive into Tarragona's Roman past, we explore the Museu Nacional Arqueològico de Tarragona. This museum houses an impressive collection of artifacts, sculptures, and mosaics discovered in and around the city. Discover the rich history and artistic achievements of ancient Tarraco. Venture just outside the city to the Pont del Diable, also known as the Aqueduct of Las Ferreras. This impressive Roman aqueduct, built in the 1st century AD, once carried water to Tarraco from a source 25 kilometers away. Marvel at the engineering prowess of the Romans as you walk beneath this towering structure. Thank you for joining us on this virtual drone tour of Tarragona. From its ancient Roman landmarks to its stunning beaches and vibrant culture, Tarragona offers a unique and unforgettable travel experience. We hope this video has inspired you to visit this hidden gem of Catalonia. Until next time, happy travels!